Hi, good evening, people. How are you doing? Today is New Year. A very happy New Year to you all. Must be enjoying a lot. I know today you won't have time to see my this recipe, but please check once you get time. I am making chargha platter. This is it is a chicken preparation that I'm making. So please go through it once. I'm making it in on my way. So what I've taken first is curd. You can check I have taken curd in a pan. To this I am going to add vinegar, white vinegar. The curd that I have taken is half cup curd. Now I am going to add vinegar to this. Two spoons of vinegar. Then I am going to add lemon. These will help the chicken to melt quickly, to get boiled up quickly. Just mix everything. Now I am going to add ginger, garlic and green chili paste. To this I am going to add a little bit of like 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander and jeera powder. I have just dry roasted, and then I have and then I've ground it up. Now I am going to add Kashmiri lal mirch. Now I am going to mix everything along with the black pepper. Black pepper also I am going to add 1 tablespoon of. Now mix everything. Now you can see I have taken the whole chicken. Now I am going to put the masala to it. Please make gashes over the chicken so that the masala goes inside the chicken very nicely. You need to use your hand. Sorry, can't help without doing this. Turn it round. Use these gashes to let the gravy go inside. I have put the gravy in the full chicken along with inside also. One more thing I would like to add, since I am a cancer patient, I am not allowed to have colors and all. Kindly put colors to this, because if you put color, the color will be more bright. If you put orange color or something dark orange, light orange, this will be more bright in color. So that you can definitely do. See, I am putting another chicken, that is legs are here. I didn't use the whole chicken. You can use whole chicken if you have a huge family. But my children and husband love to have the legs. So I have taken 4 legs, 2 of that and 2 from here. So put the chicken gravy nicely. Put it inside those gashes. Done. Now I have heated this pan, added 2 tablespoons of oil, and I have added the chicken. Now I am going to add a little bit of salt. I am sorry, I just forgot to put it at the time of mixing. That actually you should be mixed when we are doing it. But it's okay if you put it now also. So I have added salt. Now I am going to cover this and keep the flame in low so that it gets cooked up. And also we are going to tie the legs so that it doesn't jump around and create a mess. Okay, so I am going to cover this up now. Now let it cook in the slow heat, slowly and quietly. First, now we will give it at least 8 minutes, 8 to 9 minutes for the one side, and then again we'll turn it on to the other side after 8 or 9 minutes. Now you can see I have just flipped the chicken on the other side. See, the one side it's already almost been done, and so I've just flipped the other side. Now that will also be done, so I'm just covering it up again. While the chicken is getting cooked, I just cut few onions, 3 onions. You can see the size of it, and it is little bigger in size. It is your wish how you want to cut, but it's little bigger. And I've taken little nuts. I had kaju and raisins, so that is what I've taken. You can take any nuts you want, almonds, then peaches, anything that is available in your market. Now I have taken a pan where I'm going to make the rice. So I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of oil. And I would like to say one more thing. This is a very healthy food. We do not use too much of oil and ghee to it. So there also, chicken also, we didn't add oil till now. Little bit, only 1 tablespoon. And rice also, just this much of oil. So first I'm going to take the onion and add to the oil. Now to this, now I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Before I didn't add any oil because it was happening on its own steam. Now I am just adding 2 tablespoons of oil to this so that it gets cooked up properly. Now please cover it again because now it is the breast side that is getting cooked, so it will take some time. Now you can see the onion has softened a bit. Now I am going to add the kaju and the kishmish. Now as you can, first of all I would like to inform you, please soak the rice at least 30 to 40 minutes. If you can do it for 2-3 hours, that will also be great. So I have just added the the wet rice to this. Now I am going to slowly move this, mix it up. Keep the heat medium. Don't keep it too low or too high, then the rice will burn. Just fry a little bit. Now add little bit of salt to this. Now again mix it very slowly, please, because or else the rice will break down. Since I have added 2 cups of rice to it and it was soaked for half an hour, so we are going to add 1 cup of water. Now I am checking it again, so it is not done yet. So I am putting it back again for almost 10 minutes. And I have increased the flame a bit. It was in the low flame, now I have put it in the medium flame. So let it happen, please. One more thing we need to add to this is the lemon zest. This will bring a flavor to it. I think everybody knows the skin of the lemon has been given to this. Please see that the white do not get peeled off. It's only the yellow part that should go inside this. So you can see the rice is bubbling a bit. It was open till this time. Now I am going to cover it. I've added few peas also. This is just for your flavor. You can add as much vegetables as you want. You can add carrot to this. You can add peas to this. Nuts, whatever you want. This is just for your flavor. Also, one more thing I would like to add. Please add, if you want, you can add a little bit of color. But it is not good for cancer patients, so I haven't added it. But if your kids and all are having, so you can add a little bit of color to this. Now I am going to cover it for a few minutes. Now you can see the chicken is already out over here. It's not yet soft. And now I'm just cooking the gravy of it. I'm just reducing it so that anybody who wants to have it with rice can have it. It's really very yummy. So just let me reduce this. I have increased the flame. I'm just reducing the gravy quantity. I am just serving it now. I have just taken the rice to one side. Kindly add, as I said, kindly add little color. It will be very yummy and tasty. I've added 2 eggs to it.
Yes.
Now I have added the chicken also next to it. So my son is having the food. Let him taste and just give the compliment.
Very nice.
Very nice. Taste the chicken also. Taste with your hand.
The chicken is very soft from the inside.
Taste. Take it more.
Juicy.
Juicy. Okay. Take more and have it. My son used both the hands. How is it? Thank you so much. So guys, please like my video, subscribe for it, and give your advice and suggestion. Also, any negativities, please share with me so I can rectify from my side. Lots of love and a very, very happy new year and a
Happy
great
New Year to everybody.
Happy New Year.